The so-called Malia pendant, also known as the bee pendant, is one of the most exquisite examples of Minoan gold craftsmanship from the Middle Minoan period and was manufactured around 1800 BCE. Found in the necropolis of Chrysolakos near Malia, Crete, it represents two bees or wasps facing each other while holding a honeycomb or drop of nectar between them. The Malia pendant was discovered in 1930 during excavations of the cemetery at Chrysolakos, near the ancient Minoan palace of Malia, under the direction of Joseph Chatsidakis. It was found among a cache of gold jewelry that likely formed part of a funerary assemblage, suggesting its role as a high-status offering. The fine spot's proximity to the palace complex indicates a connection to elite society and possibly to cultic practices associated with the Minoan palatial system. Today, the pendant is housed in the Heraklion Archaeological Museum with the inventory number X685, where it stands as a key representative of Minoan goldwork from the proto-palatial period. The pendant is executed in high-quality gold and measures approximately 4 centimeters across. It depicts two almost symmetrical winged insects, often interpreted as bees or wasps, joined at the tips of their wings and legs. Between them hangs a small spherical element representing either a drop of honey or a piece of honeycomb, while beneath it a granulated disc terminates in a single suspended bead. Technically, the pendant exemplifies the advanced goldsmithing techniques practiced in the Minoan world. The piece combines filigree, granulation, and soldering with extraordinary precision. Fine wires define the insect's bodies and limbs, while tiny gold granules articulate their wings and thorax. The execution demonstrates not only the Minoans' technical mastery of metalwork but also their aesthetic sensitivity to symmetry, rhythm, and natural form. The pendant's suspension ring indicates it was designed to be worn as an ornament, possibly as part of a necklace or diadem. The choice of motif, two bees or wasps facing each other, is highly significant in Minoan iconography. Bees played a vital role in the Cretan economy and religion. They symbolized fertility, regeneration, and the natural cycles of life. Some scholars interpret the pendant as a visual expression of rebirth. Bees were believed to emerge from the carcasses of dead animals, linking them to resurrection myths. Others suggest it served as a royal or priestly emblem, reflecting the role of bees in palace economy and ritual production, for example honey, wax, and mead. Within the corpus of Minoan metalwork, the Malia pendant stands out for its combination of naturalistic representation and geometric order. Comparable techniques appear in other Middle Minoan gold objects, such as diadems, earrings, and signet rings from Knossos and Mochlos, yet the pendant's complexity and symbolic content are unique. The pendant's presence in a funerary context suggests it served a ritual or protective function, possibly as an amulet ensuring rebirth or safe passage into the afterlife. Its iconography of paired creatures and a life-giving substance aligns with widespread Bronze Age beliefs in cyclical regeneration. At the same time, the piece's refined craftsmanship indicates it was a product of elite workshops attached to palatial centers such as Malia. As a luxury item, it would have signified social prestige as well as religious devotion, blurring the boundaries between personal adornment and sacred symbolism. As both an object of adornment and a sacred emblem, the pendant bridges the realms of art, religion, and social identity. It remains one of the most eloquent testimonies to the craftsmanship and spiritual imagination of Middle Minoan Crete, a golden miniature that continues to illuminate the cultural world of the Aegean Bronze Age. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you won't miss new ones.